Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Affirm on Amazon. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using Affirm as a payment method inside Amazon, well, there are a few things that you want to know. The first thing that you want to do here is you want to visit their official website. Now, the thing with Amazon here, in order for you to have Affirm as a payment method, you need to redirect yourself to the Amazon website through the Affirm website. Now, this is where they add the actual payment method. So go to affirm.com here, go to the top section, look for the search bar at the very top here, or the search icon, and just look for Amazon. Now, once you do see Amazon in here, you could go ahead and just select that, and you should be able to see this pop-up here. It's going to say shop now. Now, once you've done that, you'll notice that you'll be redirected to Amazon. So from here, you can go and start shopping. Now, start adding some things into your cart. You can go and click on the cart at the top right. You already have that in your account. But in here, you want to go and click on proceed to checkout. And in here, you want to go and scroll down over here, and you should be able to see the pay over time with Affirm. Now, just to give you some idea, you are only able to pay for eligible items. So, meaning items that are currently supported by, in this case, Amazon. So, in some cases, like for example, the item that you're buying is from a different region, well, you won't be able to buy that. So, in this case, you may want to visit the option here that says learn more here. So, what are the things that you want to see in here? Like what's you need to know regarding what orders can they actually accept. But if your order is accepted by Affirm in here, you can go ahead and select that and just log in into your account and just follow the on-screen steps. But from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.